Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with a new project, the Lotus Super 7 Series 2 from The Prisoner. I'm going to be using the Tamiya kit here with a little bit of modification, but I'm going to start out by checking out what's in the box. Fairly simple kit, not a lot to it, but we do have Tamiya's usual high quality for the casting of body parts. Got actual full engine detail in this one with the wheels, suspension, more engine parts here. Got a second runner of black parts, and that has most of the suspension components, the convertible top boot, the radiator, the brakes, and the headlights. Got a set of 5 tires, 4 road tires and 1 spare. Got another bag that has the hubcaps, the headlight buckets, the glass, and a really nice touch, actually comes with a metal photo etch grill for it. And then the last thing here is a conversion kit I picked up off of Shapeways, which has the corrected wheels, another set of hubcaps, lights, and the car 120C license plates. So, there we go. Just a quick glance, it looks like it's up to Tamiya's usual high quality, so I don't anticipate running into any major problems with it. I am looking forward to seeing how well the trans kit works. So, that's that. And I will have an update on it next week. So check back then, and thanks for watching.